Hey everyone, I just got this new product in the mail last week and today is the perfect 90-degree day in the state of Michigan to test this out. It's called Unicorn Snot. It's not as gross as it sounds. It is a glitter sunscreen SPF 30. I was served this up on Instagram, I think it was, and I was like, hey, this could be kind of fun to try out. So I ordered it. It was on back order by the time I got to it. And it comes in 3 colors. I think it comes in blue, pink, and I got gold because I thought that would be the most fun. So I kind of wanted to give you guys a little review of it. I will not have worn it by the time I'm done with this video to give you the SPF strongness, I guess, of it. So I can show you guys what it looks like, how it looks if it's super glittery. If it's fun, I guess. I think it's gonna be fun either way. So let's give it a little test, see how it looks, and I will give you guys my final comments on it after I put it on my skin. So let's go. So we're gonna test it out on my arm. I feel like that's gonna be the best place to try it out on. I'll glance at the bottle. I'm just gonna put it on my arm. It's already coming out. So it's like yellow. It doesn't really smell like anything, I don't think. Not really. It's kind of almost unscented, if you ask me. So it's a lot. Sorry, it was coming out fast. Now you can definitely see the shimmer. I'm hoping you guys will be able to see it in the camera. A good place to look is like up here. So it's super noticeable on my hand. It is glittery. I have not tried out the pink or the blue, so I cannot tell you the difference between it. I'm assuming the glitter isn't as gold or neutral as it is with this one. But it's definitely noticeable on your skin in certain places. I don't know if I would say it was everywhere. I do have my sunglasses on too, so. Not like everywhere, but it does have the glitter in it. It is kind of a fun little thing. Now just to kind of give my final thoughts about this Unicorn Snot sunscreen, I don't know if it's worth the $30 I think it was. It might have been 20 or 30 bucks. I'd have to double check. I'll put it below for how much I paid for it and waited for it and everything. It's just, I shook it up and everything beforehand too, and it's not like very noticeable all over my skin. It's different. I think you can find like regular sunscreens like the Australian Gold and stuff like that. They come with a shimmer already in them. I have one. So I don't think this would be my favorite thing. It is a fun thing if you like glitter. Maybe the pink or the blue or anything's a little bit more noticeable than this one is. I went with the gold because I did want it to be a little bit more subtle, but I guess it's a little bit more subtle than I was thinking. As for SPF coverage and everything like that, I will test it out for today and let you guys know if my arm gets sunburned or not, because as you can see, it's really sunny out right now. So give it a shot and see how it works out. I will report back to you guys. So if you want to know more about that, you'll just have to check the description link below or the description box, and I'll give you the 411 on that. So if you enjoyed this review, please feel free to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys with the next video.